Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I wanted to share a very special moment with you guys, and that was the day of my baby sister's baby shower. We wanted to make this day very special for her because she is so dear to my heart and to my family's heart and to our friends' heart, and we wanted to make sure that she enjoyed this beautiful day. It was her first baby, and we came together as a whole to make this day really special for her. I want her to know that I love her dearly. I am so grateful to have her as my baby sister and my best friend. Also, don't forget to join my Elegant Creators Academy for free, where you can explore our guide to learn how I build YouTube, guides for Amazon, Facebook, Etsy, DIYs, how to market your business and brands online, and more. Every month, we add a new guide to help you grow your business. You can preview the videos of the guides. Check the Academy link in the description to join for free. This is a panoramic view of the room where the baby shower was taking place before we did the decor. The room looks absolutely breathtaking. The ceiling is an exposed ceiling. It kind of has this industrial feel. It had some beautiful uplights with some beautiful sheer curtains, and it looked absolutely stunning. I also loved the exposed bricks. The room was just the perfect setting for my sister's baby shower. The good thing about the event space is it already came with these wooden white chairs, so that was perfect already, went together perfectly with the decor that we was going to do. So it's always good to get a venue that can provide you with the chairs and provide you with the tables. It just makes the work a lot easier for you, where you won't have to worry about going with an outside vendor. This is a before and after shot of how it looked without the balloon garland, where you see those beautiful exposed windows, and this is how it looked once we got our balloon garland up. The Elegant Moment event crew came together and really helped put this special day together for us. They really went far and beyond on making this day special, and I am so grateful to have them as part of my crew, as part of my team. The balloon garland took about 100 balloons, from sizes 12-inch balloons to 5-inch balloon to 21-inch balloon. I will put the direct link. I purchased them from Amazon. You will find the direct link in the description box so you can purchase them yourself if you like it. We just had to blow the balloons that morning before we came into the event space to make sure that the balloon was already up and ready to go. Comment below and let me know what you think about the balloon garland backdrop. If there's one thing I take joy in decorating, is a dessert table. It's really a place to really pull together your theme, and you could use a beautiful backdrop and just delight your guests with innovative treats. The dessert table has become a chic party standard. I really love all the cute personal little touches I use on the sweets table. Shout out to our baker Jeanette Jacks for creating the cake and for creating all the sweets that you see on our sweets table. She did absolutely an amazing job with creating the sweets, and the sweets taste absolutely amazing. Our guest was raving about her cake and her sweets throughout the baby shower. Although it was a baby shower, but I really wanted to create a DIY mimosa bar for our guests. It was so much fun to put together. It was simple, but yet so cute. Our guests had so much fun trying the different drinks and the different fruits and mixing up their drinks, and I really love the idea. Having a mimosa bar is such a creative and amazing idea to liven up your event. The table decor was so gorgeous. but yet really simple. I really love the color combination to the entire decor. The colors were so bold, it really brightened up and livened up the room. It looked absolutely stunning. If it's one thing I love to do is I really love mixing different colors and playing around with different colors. I love to have fun with any type of color scheme that comes to mind. I also love the plate chargers and the napkin rings. They look absolutely stunning together. The hula hoop balloon garland centerpieces were so much fun for me to put together, as well as the DIY flower bowls that you see on the tables. They look absolutely stunning. It really was such a unique and different centerpiece to have for a baby shower. If you would like to see the balloon garland centerpiece that I did on my channel, don't forget to check it out if you like it and you would like to create one yourself. I did create a full-on tutorial on how you could make your own hula hoop balloon garland centerpiece. Planning and putting together my sister's baby shower was really special to me. I love my baby sister so much. I really wanted her to enjoy this day and be happy about what she's seen, and it really meant a lot to me to see her glowing with smiles on her face and so happy about the outcome, and all the hard work that myself and the team went through to put it together for her was more and more special to us to see how happy she was. And I pray and wish her and my brother-in-law on a safe and healthy delivery.
So right now I'm gonna ask the mother, how do you like the decor?
I don't know what to say.
You don't know what to say?
I didn't expect this, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, this is gonna be nice, but this is gorgeous. Gorgeous is not the word.
Gorgeous.
Give me a minute to find the word.
Alright, so you're good.
Hey, baby Berkeley. Everything looks
Gorgeous.